Let me show you. So,
okay.
This one a little bit. They are having Juniper one. Let me pull out something. And this is traditional one. This is our traditional computer.
Yep.
The traditional connectivity we have. Okay. Like if you can see, what is there is a small difference which enable you, okay, to define this where SDN come to the part. Okay. This is our server pool. You can say this is our data center. Okay.
Yeah.
These are public user available. These are network. So whenever these are coming, it's come to this router, then it moves to the traffic moves to a different, okay, as per the policy that has been configured or as per the availability of different routers. Like for example, let's me, if you want to use okay. So I'm trying to check which is the shortest route to reach this google.com. Okay.
Yep. Yep.
So so this is my IP 192.168.1.202.
Yep.
And this is my router IP. Clear?
Yeah.
Now you can see the first hop is went to my router IP.
Yeah.
From my laptop it goes to a router IP, and after that it reaches to this Airtel broadband router. And now it's moving to the two different routers. You can check before reaching these sites, google.com, it's moving to different routers. Now,
Yeah.
after 13 routers, it's finally landed to the router of Google.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow. Yeah. Yeah.
From where it resolved my google.com, it's given the DNS server of router Google, resolved it, and we are able to access the website. Now it's happened on the backend, but if you can't even imagine on the front end, we are able to access it. It's so easy, no?
Yeah.
But behind that, this all activity happens.
Yeah. Okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
So whenever we go, which traffic is adapting is depend upon this particular router. Help us to understand whether we have to go with this router or we can follow this route or this route. Which route we need to follow? It depend upon the availability and the policy or the route policy that has been configured on this level. Clear?
Okay. Yeah.
But just understand that this router don't know whether this router is available or not.
Mm-hmm.
Clear?
Yep.
What it will do, it will know that yes, it is connected to this router and this router directly. So either it can send the traffic to this or it can send the traffic to this.
Okay. Yeah.
If it sends this traffic to this router and in the route it has been clear that yes, you can have to go with this particular route. Okay. At any point of time this router is failed, then you will get a delay in services. Clear?
Yeah. Yeah.
Now, what happens in the SDN, that SDN have connectivity with all the routers that are there configured in the network. Okay, it's sync with them, it's check the availability. In case they know that which router is available, which router is not available, which is the lowest path for that particular host. So accordingly, they define their route and provided accessibility. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Along with that, if we want to configure any policy, okay, so without SDN, what we need to do, we have to go with each router. We have to go on each router and we have to configure a router first, and then we need to configure a policy. Clear?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
But with the help of SDN, with the console only, we can configure all the policy on all the routers. Okay. It's enable us to provide a centralized management. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
So it enables us to provide centralized management, centralized console, higher availability, security policies, flexibility, and along with that, which kind of data.
This conference will now be recorded.
Issue from here, his end.
Okay. Yeah. Fair enough.
So that's the reason why I have logged in. So now you can see me only as a team support by the username team support. Okay.
Yep.
So hope it is clear with SDN. What is SDN?
Yeah.
High level.
Yeah. I believe I do.
So you can see, so wherever the devices is, okay, physically available, but using SDN, you can manage it centrally. Okay.
Yeah.
Then let's see. So admin, you can see the example admin. There are two switches. Okay. Decentralized. You need to manage it individually. Clear?
Yeah.
where in the switch configuration management server, this is you, this is your management server. Now using this, you can manage these switches. You need to not to go with the configure the switches individually. What you need to do, you can need to go to the console of the management server. You can create a configuration policy and you can save it there. So whether it is a 2 devices or there is n number of devices, what you need to do, you need to just push the configuration on all the switches. Automatically all the configuration will be deployed to them.
Yeah. Okay.
Clear?
Yep.
Then secure remote administration. So you all already doing is that, hope I think so. You people are already doing remote administration from your home in this pandemic.
Yep.
So you are very well aware about that, how we are doing it. So might be you have enabled your VPN and your system has been allowed compliant to that. And once you log into that, you are prompt for the multi-factor authentication. Once you met all the requirement, then you are able to access your company network. Or you can say AWS instances. Clear?
No, it's yep. That's pretty much exactly what
the
we're
way
doing.
it happens, or any difference in that?
No, that's pretty much it. Although we don't have a lot on our network anymore, so a lot of the time, most of our users just connect directly to their programs they need on the cloud.
Okay, means you not to go with the multi-factor authentication.
Yeah, we set that setup in Azure.
So in network traffic is relatively easy to intercept and read. Absolutely. If you're not using a secure channel, so there is a probability, majority of probability that the MITM attack, you will be caught into MITM attack. Have you heard about this MITM?
No, I haven't.
So MITM is known as man in the middle attack.
Okay.
So what it happens in this,